In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all reposts on TikTok at once. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up TikTok app, and then if we head over to our TikTok profile page, and then if we tap right here at that button, we'll find all the TikTok videos we have reposted because all of them displayed here at our TikTok profile. If you want to remove a particular video from here, you just need to remove a repost from it. To do that, just open up a video. Here, as you can see, it says you reposted. And then if we tap right here and then tap at that button, that will actually remove that repost. And then if we go back to our repost, as you can see, the video has just been removed from here. Using this method, you can remove all the videos from here one by one. Just keep doing the same steps. However, if you got tons of videos here, it may take a lot of time. So now I'm gonna show you how we can delete all our reposts at once. Unfortunately, guys, there is no such tool as of now to remove all of these reposts in one click. However, I have a workaround for you, and to use this method, we need to first off tap right here at these three lines. Then tap at Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down and tap at Report a Problem. Once the page is open, tap at Feed and Playback. Then Playing Videos. And then hit Other. And that's where at the very bottom we need to tap at Need More Help, and that will take us to that page where we can create a support ticket. So we need to use that text field. Here we need to enter a text, something like hello TikTok support team, please remove all my reposts from my TikTok profile. And after that, make sure it is correct, not like in my case. And then just click right here at Submit button to send this ticket to TikTok support team. Usually they reply within 24 hours, but sometimes it may take longer. But still, this is the only way how we can delete all our reposts on TikTok at once. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.